welcome back to my channel. Today's unit, we're going to be showcasing a small owned business that hand makes wigs with love, you guys. Today's wig is sent from Hair by Justice. You guys, I worked with her before, and let me just say she has upgraded everything, you guys, because this wig is just bomb. Okay, here's the wig. The knots come bleached, the hairline comes pre-plucked to perfection. It came curled in these gorgeous curls. Like this unit, like there's not, like, I don't even know what to say. I'm speechless. And I do want to point out that the front is a full lace frontal, so none of that, I can't part it to the side crap. Girl, this unit is bomb. So I'm gonna show you guys how I install it. Okay, I did cut off the ear tab, so I'm just measuring it to see kind of where I want it to lay. That's what you guys see me doing here, kind of tugging and seeing how I want, you know, how I'm going to cut this lace. So the next step is to go ahead and cut the lace, and you want to cut it kind of to mimic your natural hairline. So I did wind up cutting a little bit of the hair like off of the lace, but that's okay because, like I said, this is supposed to be custom to your hairline, so you know it's gonna be different for everybody. So that's what y'all see me doing here. Now I did glue. I went in and I glued it. I went in and I glued this unit with gel and hairspray. I'm not too much of a glue person. It just be too much for me, y'all. Like, So I use gel and hairspray. This is the Got to Be Black bottle, and then I just kind of, I work in sections, so I start in the front and then I work on the sides, one side and then the other side. So I got that laid down, and then I went ahead and waited for that to get tacky. Wait for it to get tacky before you put it down, otherwise you'll have like some white residue that is not cute, honey. Like, yes, wait till it's nice and tacky and glue that middle section down and just kind of press it in. So I did go in with my comb. I got everything laid down, you guys. Like this was like flawless. All you had to do is go ahead and press your comb into the gel and like press it down. So make sure you mash the lace down in there and you should be good to go. Now I did go in with in the front and kind of put a little bit because I was going somewhere and I knew I was going to be sweating, so I needed like a little bit of extra security. So I put that directly on the top, and just kind of further sealed in the lace because, like I said, I needed this to stick, and I didn't have time. I didn't have time for that lace to be lifted, honey. Okay, so now I'm going in with the other sides. Like I said, I do the middle, and then I do one side, and then I do the other side. But while I do one side, I put the gel on one side, and then I go to the other one and let that one dry. So that's what y'all see me doing here. I'm just applying heat to get that nice and tacky. Like I said, get it tacky first and then put the lace down in there. So go ahead and lay that other side down, you guys. Just press it in. Like, just don't even like, try not to like get your hands on it. Even though you see me doing it, I'm just kind of like pressing it down because I wanted this to be melted, y'all. So I pressed the lace down into my skin, into my forehead, and girl, this is the end result, you guys. This is the end result, melted. After I put the elastic band on, like, this was melted. So we do want to get rid of that white ugly cast, so I did go in with some makeup, and I just kind of like put it over top of that white part. I didn't want to put any more hairspray on there, so I just used makeup, and it did the trick. It did the trick, honey. So now I'm getting ready to do the baby hairs, you guys. I did have to pin the hair up because it was just too long, and I was trying not to destroy the curls, so I put the hair up, and now it's baby hairs time, you guys. So I was trying to do like some little minimal baby hairs, like not too much. Like, this unit didn't even need baby hairs, honestly, but I love the way that they look, so of course I had to add them. So I did go in with my ebon mousse. You guys, I use this. This is a dupe for the Nairobi. So I used that foaming mousse, and I just kind of sculpted my baby hairs. These, I was trying not to do too much with them, and they were like the perfect size, perfect length. Like, it was just given. So I only did 2 baby hairs. I did, 2 little swoops or whatever. One swoop on the front and then a swoop on the side, just for those sideburns. That was pretty much it after I did that. Like, I was super satisfied with this hair. I went ahead and put my makeup on, and then I was just really feeling myself in, honey. Like, this hair was gorgeous. The curls stayed, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie. When you guys see me in the white, that was day 2. That was day 2 of wearing this wig. Like, the curls like withheld everything. The lace was a bomb. Like it was just a flawless install. And I got so many compliments wearing this wig. Like, girl, I'm not taking this wig off, okay? Y'all gonna have to bury me in this one, girl. This one is bomb. And it was just so, it was, man, she really did that. Justice did this hair justice. Let me say that. But yeah, this was really gorgeous, you guys. The hair was soft. I think this is the raw Cambodian. This is a 13x6 frontal. I will leave the link in the description on where you guys can purchase. She also makes other wigs. If you are interested in different styles, or you need someone that custom makes wigs, please check her out, you guys, because there is no way that this should be slaying like this. Like, what? Like, oh my goodness. Like, I really like this one. My girlfriend liked this one. Like, it was a plus. This is given. Like, everything about this unit is I have nothing bad to say. No cons, no nothing. Like, okay, make sure you guys check her out. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Would you guys rock this unit? Let me know. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye.